Hi, I'm Erin from Chilliwack, British Columbia, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me the AutoTrends Heated Cushion to try out in my van. I've put the AutoTrends Heated Cushion to test for a couple weeks now. It's really easy to put in the car. It's just a couple clips and hooks at the bottom, though this is one thing that could be improved upon. They're just a little too short to hook on anything in my Dodge Caravan, but they just hang there and don't really cause a problem. It really heats up really quickly. All you do is plug in the adapter into your power outlet and turn on the switch. Simple, and it heats up very quickly. Gets nice and warm. It's great. I have chronic pain, and it helps with that while I'm driving. Yeah, I can't really say anything bad about it. I would definitely recommend the AutoTrends Heated Cushion to friends and family and anyone that likes to be warm and relaxed while driving, especially on long drives. It'll be great when it's really cold in the winter for my cold morning drives.